Odds are you're tuning into this call because you're interested in bringing more money into your life. Now let's be honest, who's not interested in that? Now I'm not one to drag things out, so let me cut to the chase. You've got an opportunity to profit from the largest financial markets in the world, the foreign exchange market and the cryptocurrency markets. The Forex market does over $5 trillion per day. That is 7 times the size of the stock market. So what is Forex? I'll keep it simple again. It's trading one currency for another. For example, buying the US dollar and then trading that dollar for a British pound. Even better, tap into the most exciting financial market in the world, cryptocurrency. That's right, digital money all over the globe, enabling you as a consumer to not only obtain these currencies, but to make money from them as well. You don't understand cryptocurrency or Forex? Don't worry, we'll teach you. Is it legal? 100%. In fact, professional traders trade currencies all day long and make some pretty incredible living out of it as well. You may even know a few. Is it hard? It can be. That's exactly why we've created a company that takes the guesswork and years of learning out of making successful trades and earning money. So how the heck are we doing that? Good question. Pretty simple. We call it IM Mastery Academy. We have a suite of tools and technology really, and you have the ability to learn a new skill that people pay tens of thousands of dollars to learn. But with us, you'll pay a fraction of the cost by going through our academy and accessing our powerful tools. By the way, if you're intrigued by what you're hearing, reach back out to the person that shared this call with you. Now I do have one more thing to share though. There are over 100,000 people currently taking advantage of what you're about to hear. This company, the products and information is social. If you start trading and learning, you're probably going to end up talking to one of your friends, wouldn't you? Because of this, we decided to push our advertising budget into people rather than TV, radio, and billboard ads. Long story short, you share it with a friend that got involved with us, we pay you for that referral. Makes sense for us, it's gonna make more sense for you, especially as a trader. You ready for a quick breakdown? You share with 2, you get a free membership. Share with 12, make $600 a month. 30 customers, $1,000 a month. 75 customers, $2,000 a month. 225 customers, $5,000 a month. 500 customers, $10,000 a month, and so on and so forth. You've heard a lot, and there's probably a number of things you want more info on. Reach back out to the person who shared this call with you to get your questions answered. This company is exploding, the market is growing, and the people are winning. Text your friend back. It literally could be the best decision you've ever made.